Hey everyone, Joe here. Welcome to my channel. So we're at the Jersey Shore here, and this is actually the first weekend that we have gotten to the beach, and I just noticed this new construction right here that is right next to the dunes where we go over onto the ocean. And I thought maybe I could take a sneak peek in there. It says private property, no trespassing. I could get arrested, I'm not sure, but take a look at the they got their pool delivered already, and the house is still under construction. This is right on the dunes to the right on the dunes. Let's see here. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. It's hard to know what anything is, but these are a bunch of rooms, so I'm assuming that they are a bunch of bedrooms down here, because they're all kind of small, but they all have access to the back. I'm a little bit afraid, to tell you the truth, but a lot of these houses have reverse living. So again, these are probably all bedrooms in here. You know, this must be the master bedroom right here. There's a fireplace right there that I can see. Upstairs, this is the great room. Take a look at that view. Look at the height of these ceilings. Another big giant fireplace. And take a look at that. These will be all windows, I'm sure. Oh, and there's another level that I'm not going to go up to. That goes up to the roof, that it has a deck up there to sit and appreciate the ocean. I'm going to try to get out of here before the cops come. Again, these must be old bedrooms. They call this reverse living here at the shore, where they put the bedrooms on the lower level and then the area where people hang out more on the upper levels, so they can appreciate the view. Let me go around the back so you can see what it looks like from the back. I'm gonna go up the dune. So it was a totally different weekend from last weekend. Memorial Day weekend here was like winter. It was in the 40s, and it's absolutely beautiful today. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here's the back of that house. So you can see where I was upstairs, and it's gonna have a deck up there, and those are gonna be all windows, I'm supposing. And then that middle level where I thought was the master bedroom is right there, and they'll have their walkway so that they can walk over and then down to the beach. And the one next door to it is new as well. Okay, you know what's funny? I just saw the police pass by. I just got out of there in time. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little view. From time to time, I'll see, as this house gets done, maybe I can just keep you updated and see. They are knocking down things down here and building monsters in their place. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that quick little view of that beautiful house that's under construction right now. And like always, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.